The ABS, or anti-lock braking system, is a safety feature that prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking. The ABS light on your dashboard indicates that there's an issue with the system. When this light is on, your ABS may be disabled, meaning your car might not be able to prevent wheel lockup in an emergency braking situation. There are several common reasons why your ABS light might be on. Let's go through them one by one. Faulty ABS sensors. The ABS sensors, located at each wheel, monitor the speed of your wheels and send this information to the ABS control module. If one of these sensors is faulty or covered in debris, it can trigger the ABS light. You might need to clean or replace the sensor to resolve the issue. Low brake fluid levels. Inadequate brake fluid can also cause the ABS light to come on. The ABS system relies on hydraulic brake fluid to function properly. If the fluid level is too low, it can trigger the ABS light. Check your brake fluid reservoir and top it off if necessary, but be sure to use the correct type of brake fluid for your vehicle. Malfunctioning ABS control module. The ABS control module is the brain of the ABS system. It processes the information from the sensors and controls the braking pressure to prevent wheel lockup. If the control module itself is malfunctioning, it can trigger the ABS light. Diagnosing a faulty control module usually requires a professional scan tool. Damaged or worn wiring. Another common cause is damaged or worn wiring. The wires connecting the ABS sensors to the control module can get damaged due to wear and tear, exposure to the elements, or rodent damage. Inspecting the wiring for any signs of damage and repairing or replacing them can fix the problem. Blown fuse. Sometimes, the issue can be as simple as a blown fuse. The ABS system has a dedicated fuse in the fuse box. If this fuse is blown, it can disable the ABS and turn on the ABS light. Checking the fuse and replacing it if necessary can be a quick fix. Fixing the problem. Once you've diagnosed the issue, it's time to fix it. Let's go through some common fixes. Cleaning or replacing ABS sensors. If a faulty or dirty sensor is the issue, you can try cleaning it with a soft brush and some brake cleaner. If cleaning doesn't work, you might need to replace the sensor. Make sure to get the correct sensor for your vehicle's make and model. Topping off brake fluid. Check the brake fluid level in the reservoir. If it's low, top it off with the appropriate type of brake fluid. Remember, brake fluid is corrosive, so handle it carefully and clean up any spills immediately. Repairing wiring. If you find damaged wiring, you can repair it by splicing in new wire or using connectors. Ensure all connections are secure and protected from the elements to prevent future damage. Checking and replacing fuses. Locate the fuse box and find the fuse for the ABS system. If it's blown, replace it with a fuse of the same amperage. This can often resolve the issue quickly and easily. Replacing the ABS control module. If the ABS control module is faulty, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. Replacing or reprogramming the control module can be complex and often requires specialized tools. Preventive maintenance. Being more proactive about your car maintenance can go a long way in keeping your ABS system in good working condition. Regularly check and clean the ABS sensors, inspect the wiring for damage, and maintain proper brake fluid levels. Additionally, have your ABS system inspected by a professional mechanic during routine maintenance visits.